What is a large and mid-cap fund? It is a combination of investing in leaders of today and leaders of tomorrow. Let us see how this large and mid-cap fund can be a part of your core mutual fund portfolio. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Based on market cap, equity mutual funds can be classified as large cap, mid-cap, small cap, and so on. One such category is large and mid-cap. Large and mid-cap funds invest a minimum of 35% of total asset in large cap companies and a minimum of 35% of total asset in mid-cap stocks. The fund manager has the option to decide where the remaining 30% of the assets can be invested. What are the benefits you get from investing in a large and mid-cap fund? You can benefit from the steady return capability of large cap companies and high growth potential of mid-cap stocks. By diversifying your investment across large and mid-cap, you can generate better risk-adjusted return in the long run. It is suitable for long-term investors who are ready to stay invested for a minimum of 5 to 7 years. As we've seen already, the large and mid-cap funds invest 70% of their assets in large and mid-sized companies. There is a window of opportunity for the fund manager to invest the balance 30%. The fund manager, based on his market outlook, may follow an investment strategy. Are you ready to take risk or willing to be on the safe side? If you want to be on the safe side, choose funds inclined towards large cap stocks. Or if you are an aggressive investor, bet on funds inclined towards mid cap stocks. How large and mid cap funds are taxed? If you sell your large and mid cap funds units before 12 months, you have to pay short-term capital gain tax of 15% on the gains. If you sell after 12 months and your gains exceed rupees 1 lakh in a financial year, then you have to pay a long-term gain of tax of 10%. In a nutshell, large and mid-cap funds are less risky than pure mid-cap schemes that invest around 65% in the mid-cap stocks. The reason behind this is the 35% allocation in large cap investments offer some stability to large and mid cap funds. But keep in mind they are riskier than pure large cap funds. If you have a long term horizon and willing to take a little extra risk, you may choose large and mid cap funds. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.